Hello, this is Kent from Adironstix. Thank you for purchasing our instrument rack. I want to make a quick demonstration to show you how to install the instrument yoke onto the branch. You will want to do this carefully as not to damage the threads on either the yoke or the threads that are inserted into the branch. So basically what you want to do is take the yoke and put it on top of the hole like so, and then you'll want to hold the base flat onto the branch and carefully turn the yoke clockwise. You should not have much of any resistance when you go to put this yoke into the branch until it gets seated down against the branch. Once you do that, you'll just want to give it a little bit of a tighten, and then what you'll do is make an adjustment on this. Once you get the branch itself mounted on your wall, you'll want to move it back and forth a little bit depending on what you need to do to make the yoke level. You do not want to over tighten this. You can break the threads on the yoke itself or strip out the nuts. So you want to be careful not to over tighten it. And if you do happen to hit some resistance as you're putting this into the branch, you want to back it back off and then carefully attempt to do it again. Sometimes if you turn it counterclockwise a little bit, you'll feel it drop into the threads, and then you'll know that you've got it in the right spot. So once again, just want to be a little careful putting that in just to make sure you don't damage the branch or damage the yoke. If you have any further questions, certainly you can reach out to us at sales@adironstix.com or through the Etsy app if you purchase your branch through Etsy. Thank you very much. Enjoy your product. Thank you for purchasing it from us.